Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to search for text in multiple Word documents. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to search for text in multiple Word documents. Go to the home menu and click find option. Then find in this navigation bar. Write some text in this box. Now you can see how to word is find. Then we go to the another documents and find some words. Click the find option and find anything. Now you can see Times word is find. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.